Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with the BraunAbility rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. You will first open up the lift gate. You can then unlock this portion here and bring it down, and then you can bring the ramp down. So this ramp here is going to be 32 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 58 inches. Back here you will have the wheelchair user. In the middle you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And this van here only has 66,000 miles. Go ahead and bring the ramp back in. Make sure it's pushed in its spot, and then you can bring the bottom portion up. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit website 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 66,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.